Now, how high ETH goes will of course be dictated by the boss, aka BTC. Reasonable people disagree about how high BTC will go in 2025, but we think the very upper limit of plausibility is probably around $200,000. If you caught our recent video on how high BTC might go, you'll know that British multinational bank Standard Chartered has been publicly calling for a $200,000 BTC by the end of 2025. It's worth pointing out that Standard Chartered's global head of digital assets, Jeff Kendrick, previously predicted that BTC would reach $100,000 in 2023. He was off by a very wide margin because BTC's yearly high at the end of 2023 was under $45,000. Whether or not BTC can go this high next year depends on how long bullish market conditions persist. In our BTC price prediction video, we outlined the consensus view that the bull market will conclude at some point in 2025. We also noted that is a very wide timeframe, and a cycle top could come at any moment, including in January. As such, we think a figure well below $200,000 is more likely. Of course, we will be the first to crack out the champagne if the market proves us wrong. But anyway, let's for argument's sake consider BTC at $200,000 a kind of ceiling on what ETH will do in 2025. At the time of making this video, 200K is more than double the current market price of BTC. However, this doesn't mean that the best case scenario for ETH is also double its current market price. That's because ETH's price expansion is lagging several steps behind that of BTC, as we've seen from the ETH BTC chart. And as I mentioned earlier, BTC has already touched the macro 1.618 fib level of $102,000. Using the same fibs applied the same way, ETH has only just made it to the 0.786 level. So, rather than doubling this price, we think doubling ETH's price at the 1.618 level will give us a better upper limit of what could happen in 2025. You'll recall that this 1.618 level is about $7,300, which again we think is a pretty good base case target. Doubling this would give us $14,600, or about 3.65x from the current market price of $4,000. For an asset that has underperformed BTC so severely, this sounds like a tall order indeed, and it's therefore the most extreme bullish case for 2025 that we can take seriously. If BTC touches 200K in 2025, orthodoxy suggests that profits will rotate into ETH.